children, I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to begin a new chapter, that is parts of a sentence. So, first thing, let me tell you what is a sentence. A sentence is a set of words or a group of words that makes a complete sense or that gives us a complete meaning. Now, this sentence has two parts. And what are the two parts? One is the subject and the other one is the predicate. Now let me tell you what is the subject. The subject is the person or thing spoken about. It is the person or the thing that we are speaking about. And it is also a naming word. Now what is this naming word? Naming word is a noun or a pronoun. What is this naming word? Noun or a pronoun. Now, let us see the first example. Over here we have two examples. Let us see the first example. Lena has a doll. Now, Lena is a noun, or instead of Lena, you can also use the term she. So, Lena is the noun and the term she is the pronoun. So, Lena has a doll. Who has a doll? Lena has a doll. So, what are we talking about? We are talking about Lena or she. So, Lena has a doll. Lena is the noun or the naming word. So, Lena is what? The noun or the naming word, that is the subject. And what does Lena have? Lena has a doll. So, we are talking about the noun Lena. So, Lena is the subject here. Now, let's see the next example. The sun rises in the east. What is rising in the east? What are we talking about here? The sun. We are talking about the sun. What is the sun doing? The sun, or what the sun does? The sun rises in the east. So the sun is the naming word, the noun, or that is the subject. So we are talking about the subject, the sun. So the sun rises in the east. So I hope it is clear, children, what is the subject? Now, let us go to the second part of the sentence. The second part of the sentence is the predicate. Now, what the predicate does? It tells us about the subject. What the subject is doing or what it has. That means it is giving us information regarding the subject. So, the predicate tells us about the subject. Now, the subject also, this sentence also has a verb in it. The predicate also has a verb in it. And it is the second part of the sentence. A predicate has a verb in it and it is the second part of the sentence. Now, let us see the same example we have taken here. Lena has a doll. As we have seen in the first part, in subject, Lena has a doll. We are talking about Lena. So, Lena is the subject. Now, in predicate, it is saying what is Lena having? Or what does Lena have? Lena has a doll. So, what Lena has? Lena has a doll. So, what does Lena has? Lena has a doll. Now, over here in this sentence, what is the word? The word is has. And what Lena has? Lena has a doll. So, this entire portion is the predicate. So, this is the predicate. And you can see that this is the second part of the sentence. Now, if you take the next example, the sun rises in the east. Now, the sun is the subject as we have seen in case of subject. So the sun is the subject. Now the sun, what it does, it rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Now what is the verb in this sentence? The verb is rises. Rises is the verb. And what is the sun? What is sun doing? It is rising in the east. That means the entire, this is the second part of the sentence, and this is the predicate, and this predicate has a verb, that is rises. So this is the difference between a subject and a predicate. So children, I hope you have understood today's topic about sentence and about the parts of sentence. So the next class we will continue with the exercises. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.